Have you tried buying a phone recently? If you have, you've probably seen that some brands of phones are available exclusively with one online retailer and not the others. This was not the case even a few years ago, when you could shop for any phone across any platform and perhaps even walk into a physical store in case you wanted to check out the phone before you bought it. It is this change that has brought Amazon and Flipkart into conflict with the Delhi Vyapar Mahasangh and also the Competition Commission of India. So what are the details of this case and what implications does this have for you, the consumer? Take a look. In January last year, the Competition Commission of India ordered an investigation against Amazon and Walmart-owned Flipkart for alleged competition law violations. The original complaint was filed by Delhi Vyapar Mahasangh, a group that represents small and medium-sized businesses. The Mahasangh had complained that the two e-retail giants had got into exclusive agreements for smartphones. They also maintained that Amazon and Flipkart had given preferential treatment to certain sellers by giving them higher search rankings and paying a part of the discount that would be offered during key sales periods such as Flipkart's Big Billion Days and Amazon's Prime Day and the Great Indian Festival. In 2020, the CCI decided to probe whether the two e-commerce giants acted in a way that consumer choices were restricted and also to determine if smaller traders suffered as a consequence of these online practices. First, the matter was heard by the Karnataka High Court and then was heard by the Supreme Court. On August 9 this year, the Supreme Court refused to intervene in the investigation after the two e-retailers appealed against the probe. Interestingly, at the same point, Prion, which is Amazon's joint venture with Catamaran Ventures, announced the JV would end next year. Catamaran Ventures is owned by Infosys founder Narayan Murthy. Prion owns Cloudtail India, which in turn is an online platform for small and medium enterprises, which sells products ranging from furniture to books on Amazon. It even had an agreement with a brand as big as Apple. Cloudtail offered deep discounts for many of these products. The timing of the split is significant in the face of the investigation and stricter laws governing e-commerce platforms. In the past, Narayan Murthy has been criticized for his involvement with Prion. With the end of the joint venture, the future of the sellers who are already on Cloudtail is uncertain. If the Competition Commission rules against Flipkart and Amazon, consumers might have more choices on these platforms, but those big discounts, they might most likely be a thing of the past.